Hey, Kipper. Do you love the snow? Do you love the snow? Get in it. Go get it. Go jump in it. Call Kipper, Goose. Up there he goes. He loves it. Jump, jump, jump. He loves the snow. Kipper. Come jump over here. Come get it. Woo! Woo! Call him over to you. Pat your hands on your knees. And then say his name. Kipper, you just love that snow. Just love that snow. There you go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Like a little bunny. You're like a little bunny. He loves the snow, Goose. Look at you so deep in it. Now running, Kipper will follow you. Up! Where are you going, Kips? Where are you going? Ta-da! Oh! There goes Wyatt. Bye! Oh, Kipper's coming. Can you wave bye to me?